2, 1. We're in Benidorm. Look at this. Angel, what have you found after being in Benidorm for 2 minutes?
Squishes.
A bag full of squishes.
Yeah, and I saw some slime over there, Daddy.
Yeah.
We might need to get some of that.
Yeah, we're going to go find some slime as well. Come on, let's go see what Leo's doing, quick. Leo, you're not supposed to go out there too far. He just doesn't listen, does he? He just won't listen. Oh, Angel, the water's really hot.
It might be some.
Stay there, stay there. Oh. Angel, now I've got you off the beach. We need to find some slime.
I know where this some is. Come with me. Andy! Andy! Daddy, I finally found some.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look.
Look.
Oh, yeah, slime. Oh, what's that? 4 different colours? Different colour slime.
Look at this one, Daddy.
Squishes. Angel. Dinosaur slime.
Look at this one, Daddy.
Putty slime.
Look at that slime.
Oh, let's see it.
Look at this one. Look.
Angel, I think that'd be the best one. Look at that. Glitter slime. And green shark tail slime.
I want one of these. Out there.
That one. Let's have a look at it. DIY paste fluffy slime. And what do you do? Mix all those together, Angel?
Yeah.
Oh no, I think you put water into that and then mix them. Is this okay for you then, Angel, to do
I like
some...
that, and I like these and this. But
Well, you can't have everything. You have to pick which one you want.
I like these.
I think that's soap or something. What's it say? It says crystal mud or something.
I like this one.
Yeah.
And I like these. I like these.
You want them? You want all them?
Yeah.
You want all them? So you want all them slimes to mix? Okay, go.
Yeah,
Go. Let's go to the counter. No, you already bought your squishes though, didn't you, from the other shop?
Yeah. This is how much it is. 50.
50 euros? Really? Get your change, Angel.
Here you go, Tyler. Here's some there.
Thank you. Let's go, Lily.
That was so lucky. We didn't even know it was in this shop.
No, we didn't know that was in here.
Look, in the shop and then
Yeah, we just spotted them. Let's go back to the hotel, Angel. We'll mix them up and see what colour that we get out of them. Angel, a full-size LOL doll.
that's weird.
You think that's real?
No, I don't think that's real. Look at that eye.
Look at that one, Angel. Look at that, LOL dolls.
Whoa.
Do you think they're fake?
Look down here. A little blind box.
LOL blind bags. I think these are fake. Angel, look at that. A finger monkey.
Finger monkey.
Do you think that's fake?
No, I don't think that's fake because it is in this country, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, let's go back to the hotel and look at them, and then maybe we can get some fake things and see if they are fake.
Thank you, Daddy. I'm so excited to mix these slides.
Yeah, let's go back to the hotel. Let's go.
So now this is our hotel.
Yeah, this is the hotel.
Let's go to our room, guys. Follow me. No, keep it on the road.
Okay.
Okay. Our hotel is 103.
That's our room. Our room's 103. Angel, I've got the key.
Good. You finally found me.
Right. There you go. Go. Push.
So, now we are back home in our hotel room. Let's just close that door a minute. Okay, so shall we get started?
Yeah.
This is all the stuff what I bought. Got the spoon.
Oh, we need the spoon.
Yeah. That's weird. I think another spoon might have fell out because there's an in the back.
Okay, let's get some slimes out and mix them.
Okay, right. One here. So shall we open this one? Okay. Let's put the rubbish back. Now let's open it. Like so. Oh, that's so cool, Daddy. You feel it. So cool, isn't it?
Angel, mix them all on the side.
It's got like gel in it or something. That's got gel in it. Oh, it feels really nice on the bottom. Look at that. Oh, Daddy, it's sand one. It's sand.
It's a sand slime.
Uh-huh.
Do you want to mix them all together?
Okay, so let's get that out. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is very sticky and gooey. I hope it isn't sticky, but the slime that we're mixing.
That's good slime, that.
I know, that's cool. It's real sticky. Need to wash my hands. At least there's a sink right in front of me. It looks red on the camera, but it's actually pink.
Leah.
What's this?
The squishy.
Have it if you want.
Yeah, you can have
Can
that.
I have that this? I have both. That one's the chocolate. Oh. Okay. So that was my brother. Okay, I think that's not sticky anymore now, so I'll put that somewhere. Okay, that's really nice slime. Look how nice that looks steady.
Yeah, that is good slime, really. How much did it cost? Was it €2?
No, it was 50.
€50?
And 50 no. Okay, time to move on to the next slime. I think I want to do this one instead of that one.
That one's really wet.
Because it's got soap inside, so it makes it smell nice. Yeah, that smells really nice. You smell that one, Daddy?
It's like strawberry, I think.
I know, it's like that. They are like strawberry. So maybe it smell like really bad slime. Okay, that's a sticky bit there.
Just mix them together. I think that's the only way that you'll get it.
Okay, I'll just mix them together. Okay, I hope that works. I hope it works. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks so cool, doesn't it? I think this one's gonna turn. I don't know which colour this is gonna turn. Look at that, now it's brownie colour. Like poop.
Like poo-poo slime.
Okay, now I'm just gonna mix these two together. This will be the smelling slime.
Smelling slime.
Or it might be the unicorn poo slime. Okay. Shall we mix them all up at end, guys?
It's up to you.
I think we should.
You want to get the other ones out first?
Yeah, and just put them on top of the two. Okay. That one feels really nice. Oh, I think this one's the best one out of all of them. Look at that. That one's really nice. I think we mixed a little bit already.
Do you think the slimes that we've bought from the store are better than the ones we make, or do you think ours are better?
I think these are better.
They're better?
Yeah, than ours, because we have sand and everything inside. Once we should make a kinetic sand slime. Ooh, that is so sticky, oh my god. Okay, now let's do this one. Okay, right, got it. I just play with it like a little bit so it doesn't get that sticky.
Could you use that tub to put them all back in?
That one?
No, the tub that you just used. Does that middle bit come out? The crisscross bit?
The crisscross bit?
Does that come out?
No. Well, we can still leave that. No.
No, it's stuck in.
Might be glued in. Okay, that's good now. This won't make a bubble, will it?
I don't know.
Sand slime, so it won't make bubbles.
Are you going to mix them all together now?
Yeah, because that's all. So you see
Why don't you put it on this bit here? You do like a line or something.
Yeah, that actually makes bubbles.
That'll make bubble slime.
See? Bubble. Might make bubble slime. I think it might turn like a mustard colour.
Yeah, like a dark orange.
Orange is my favourite colour actually, so it might turn really nice actually for me. Okay, so look how stretchy that is, Daddy.
Wow. That is super stretchy slime.
Okay, that is the stretchiest slime ever.